Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to turn on your Jeep Patriot fog lights. First, locate the headlight switch on your dashboard, typically found to the left of the steering wheel. Ensure your vehicle's ignition is in the on position, as the fog lights won't operate otherwise. Then, turn the headlight switch clockwise to activate your regular headlights. This is a crucial first step before engaging the fog lights. Once your headlights are on, the next step is simple. Gently pull the entire headlight switch knob directly outward, away from the dashboard. You should feel a slight click. This action activates your fog lights. Look for a specific indicator light on your dashboard, usually a green symbol resembling a headlight with wavy lines, to confirm they are on. You can also visually check the front of your vehicle. If your fog lights don't turn on after following these steps, there are a few things to check. First, inspect your vehicle's fuse box for a blown fuse related to the fog lights. Also, ensure that the fog light bulbs themselves are properly seated in their sockets and not loose. For detailed diagrams or specific fuse locations, always consult your Jeep Patriot's owner's manual, which provides valuable information. Maintaining your fog lights ensures they function effectively when you need them most. Regularly clean the lenses to remove dirt and grime, which can reduce light output. If a bulb burns out or gets damaged, replace it promptly to maintain optimal visibility and safety. And speaking of making things easier, if you're looking for great deals on kitchen essentials or other helpful products, be sure to check the description below for links, including those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.